Welcome back. In the last video, we learned about classes and we learned about properties and methods there too. Now, next generation JavaScript offers a different syntax of initializing properties and methods. And actually, it is this more modern syntax I will use in this code. So I want to show you it here too. You already learned that properties are like variables you attach to classes and objects. Methods are like functions attached to classes and objects. And you will learn about this syntax where we set up properties in the construction function. Now there is more modern syntax which spare us using this constructor function with next generation as we will use it in this course. You can assign a property directly inside your class with my property equal value. So you skip the construction function call. Behind the scene, this will still be transformed to use construction function, but you will have an easier time writing this. And for methods, it's pretty simple. This is the old way I show you in the last lecture. Now the next generation JavaScript way is to use the syntax from the left where you set up the property and simply think of a method as a property which store a function as a property value. You have got no problem with this keyword, and that the exact reason why we will use this syntax here on the bottom right corner and on the bottom left corner throughout this course. Let me show you the syntaxes to you. Back to JS bin. On the project we already worked on here with the human and person class. We can get rid of this constructor from here and this one also, and also we can read this dot gender. We can just only say gender equal the value of male, and here our method, we're going to use our arrow function method, and then we are called console log this dot gender. So this represent here the class of this class gender. Now you already seeing here is a error, but ignore for now. If we come here on the class person extend human constructor, we can also rid of this constructor and super, and also rid of this keyword with the name which is already applied. And here also we just add the arrow function method, which is the next generation JavaScript method. If we now hit the run button here, it will be, now you can see here John and male the same here, because this JavaScript is ES6 Babel is already workable with this. So this is how saving time. You can save a lot of time in writing your JavaScript with so easy function without constructor, without super using, and we will be use all of this kind of JavaScript, the next generation JavaScript we are all using in this course. I hope you guys understand. If you guys have any question, please comments below in the comment section. See you in the next video.